Hello, this is Mr. Marvin. You and I will explore the Arrange tab for Google Slides using your computer. Let us be familiar with Google Slides by identifying the functions and commands available in its ribbon. Below the title bar of your presentation is the ribbon. The ribbon consists of the tabs and the command buttons. The seventh tab in Google Slides is the Arrange tab. The Arrange tab keeps the command buttons for different actions. From the Arrange tab, the Order command button arranges the order of overlap by the texts or images on the slide. When you highlight an object on the slide that overlaps another object, you can bring it to the front or bring it forward, or you can send it backward or send it to the back. From the Arrange tab, the Align command button sets the alignment of text, images, or objects on the slide. When you highlight several objects on the slide, you can align them together horizontally to the left, right, or center. You can also align them vertically to the top, middle, or bottom. From the Arrange tab, the Distribute command button distributes the vertical and horizontal spacing between objects. From the Arrange tab, the Center on Page command button centers the text, images, and objects horizontally and vertically on the slide. From the Arrange tab, the Rotate command button rotates and flips objects, text, or images on the slide. When you highlight an object on the slide, you can rotate the object 90 degrees clockwise or 90 degrees counterclockwise. You can also flip the object horizontally or vertically. From the Arrange tab, the Group command button combines several objects so they can act as a single object on the slide. From the Arrange tab, the Ungroup command button separates the combined objects so they act individually on the slide. Find the next tutorial video on exploring the Tools tab for Google Slides using your computer. Thank you for watching. Please write your comment, click subscribe, click like, and click share. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.